What is going on, family? Cribs here. Thanks for coming back and chilling out with your boy for one more video. Excited to be back for another one. And today I've got a good one for you. It's a recipe that I've been seeing around, little bits and pieces here and there, and I wanted to put my spin on it. So what it is, it's smoked, stuffed manicotti jalapeno poppers.
Oh yeah.
And it's amazing. It turned out wonderful. So what I want you to do is grab a beverage. Let's sit back. Let's chill. Let me take you on a journey. And if you would like to make these, I've got a video right after the intro here that you can watch, follow, and leave some comments. If you've had it before, if you've seen it before, and if you do it, how it turns out. So enjoy the intro. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, let's start with the ingredients that we're going to be using for Swag Stuffed Manicotti Jalapeno Poppers. Some freshly grated pepper jack cheese, 4 medium-sized cored jalapenos diced up. Using 1 package of the Philadelphia or any kind of cream cheese. We're going to be using some Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage, and then some bacon, which is center cut. And then, of course, the manicotti. Let's see what these look like. So we're going to be stuffing these up. So first of all, let me get my gloves on, and then we will, and then of course, sorry guys, I'm going to be using RECTEQ's Rosaruski's Honey Rib Rub and their Screaming Pig Rub. That's going to be mixed in it as well. So let me get some gloves on and we'll start mixing. All right, first of all, let's go ahead and cut open the sausage. Use the whole thing. Let's go ahead, throw in the pepper jack cheese. Next, we'll go ahead and put in the cream cheese. Then goes in the jalapenos. Whoops. And then what I'll start with is I'm going to go with Screaming Pig Rub by RECTEQ. I'd put in about a tablespoon. It's going to have plenty of flavor. And we'll just sit here. Mix this whole thing up. Get it all incorporated. And this is going to be delicious. I'm going to go ahead and get this all incorporated in together, and then I'll be back in just a minute. All right, now let's get the manicotti out.
And what we'll do right now, I'll get the bacon out here in a little bit. That'll be the next step. But let's go ahead and get these stuffed. I'm going to show you a couple. Get these all stuffed in. There goes the squeaky toys. Jack, enough. Quit. Then we'll stuff it from the other side. So there's one. So you can see, stuffed all the way through. Now let's go ahead and do one more for you. These all stuffed in, and it's not really that hard to do. I just go about halfway through, or get one handful, put it all the way in, kind of squish it off, then hit it from the other side. You can feel it coming together on the inside, and start pushing out on this back side. Just make sure you get them good and stuffed. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these stuffed, and then I'll be back for the next step. Okay, got them all stuffed. Now let's cut open our bacon. And I'll go ahead and roll a couple of these up for you. Make sure we ain't got two pieces. That was two pieces. Get it up, roll it around. There's one. Get it all stuffed down. And then I'll set them on this wire rack. Go ahead and get another one done for you. These are gonna be amazing. Make sure you get all the ends covered, all the noodle covered. And just start rolling. Easy peasy. And then when I get these all rolled, I'll come back and then we will we'll spice them up. Hit them up with that honey rib rub, sweeten them up a little bit, get that sweet contrast to it. I'll be back here in a minute. Now that I've got them all wrapped, RECTEQ's Rosaruski's honey rib rub. Get that sweetness up on them. Get some beautiful coloring up on the rack. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these and give them a heavy dusting. I went ahead and used a couple pieces of the thick cut bacon. These two down here, I wanted to see how they would perform. They're not probably gonna do as well of staying together as these, the thin cut, the center cut, but we'll just see. Yeah, those are gonna be delicious. And then what I'll do is stick these in the fridge for probably 2 hours. Let everything incorporate together. I'm going to go ahead and finish all this up, rub all over all of the outside of it, go put them in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then I'll be back with you. We'll go out to the RECTEQ, the 1250, and we'll start smoking these, and I'll let you know how we do that as well. So stay tight. I'll see you in a few seconds. All right, y'all. I'm back. I have the RECTEQ RT 1250 set at 180, extreme smoke. I'm gonna let these things ride. I just put them on. I'm gonna let them absorb some smoke, kiss up that smoke for about a half hour. And then after that, I'll crank them up to 300 and let them ride. And I guess when they're just about done, I'll put on some barbecue sauce from RECTEQ, their spicy barbecue sauce, and let that glaze on there really good. But when they're just about done and I do the barbecue sauce, or maybe halfway through the cook so you can see what they're like, I'll be back so we can so you can see what they look like half done. If you could just smell this now. Holy. This is a half hour into it of the cook. The bacon is getting crispy. It looks so wonderful. I'm gonna let it roll. Probably another half hour. Come out and sauce it up, and then I think we're gonna be good to go. Good Lord. Can you hear it? Oh, family, it's amazing. Well, now that it's been open, 288, but 300, I've been rocking it for a while. That looks gorgeous. Woo. Anywho, let me do this. Let me take a photo real quick. There, just took a photo. Okay, I'll be back here in a little bit so we can show you the finalized product. I'll be saucing it up here soon, let it caramelize, and we're going to be rocking and rolling, cutting it open and having a bite of it. Sauce is about to go on. RECTEQ spicy gourmet barbecue sauce. Oh yeah. These are like prime freaking time. Okay, I'm gonna do this with one hand, so forgive me if fingers get in the way. See that thick cut bacon on this outside? See how much it shrinks up? See how this other just stayed around it? That's that thin cut. Big difference. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these done, and I'll see you back in the kitchen, cut in two, and we'll have a taste test. We're done. Now, if you will feast your eyes on this. I just wanted to split one in two so you could see the inside. Everything is amazing. Look how beautiful those look. Now it's time for a taste. Cheers. Oh my God. That is wonderful. The sweet, the jalapeno, the cheese, the bacon. Wow. The sausage inside. Now I got to tell you, if you're interested, follow my video, do these, and let me know how they turn out, because this is amazing. One more shot on the video. One more shot on the food. Now, as always, I love you. I'm proud of you. Go tell somebody you love them. Go tell somebody your problem. Go out and smoke some food, enjoy, and test some things out. Cribs is out. Peace.